previous video we have completed question number 2 and we are doing question number 3. Today we will continue exercise 5.2 class 10 NCERT. Question number 3 third part. So let's continue class 10. Exercise 5.2 question number 3 is third part. So 5 box 5 box and 9 1 by 2. How to solve this question? This is our A1, this will be A2, this will be A3, this will be A4. A4 is 9 1 upon 2. So A4 will be 9 to the 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. What is the formula for A4? That is A plus 3D. So 19 by 2. A is 5. 5 plus 3D is equals to 19 by 2. And 3D will be 19 by 2 minus 5. So 19 minus 10 upon 2 is equals to 3D. So 3D is equals to 9 and D will be 9 by 3. So difference is 3. Now we have A is equals to 5 and the common difference is 3. So we can easily find A2 and A3 like this. A2 will be A plus D and A3 will be A plus 2D. Okay, what is A plus D? That is 5 plus 3, 8. Just a second. What happened here? 19 by 2, 19 by 2 minus 5, 9 upon 2. Sorry. There is a mistake. 9 by 2 will be here. So here will be 3 by 2. Okay. And 5 plus 3 by 2, that is 5 to the 10 plus 3, 13 upon 2. And 5 plus 2 into 3 upon 2, that is 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. So this will be the A2 and this will be the A3. So 13 by 2 and 8 will be the answer for you. Okay. Next question is 4 part. That will be homework for you. As we have completed question number 3rd, you can easily complete its 4th part. We'll continue question number 5th. That is, just a minute. Fifth, box 38, box 22. And the 22 is minus 22. Okay. Again, it's our first duty. That is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. Since this is a AP, so these terms are here. So what is A2? A2 is 38. We'll find the answer from the thing that we know. Okay, the known things are A2 and A6 here. So A2 will be what? 38. So A plus D will be 38 according to our formula. The next thing is A6 is minus 22. So A6 will be minus 22. A plus 5B is equals to minus 22. Right. Now we can solve these equations. by using elimination method. Always use the elimination method to solve this kind of equation because a and a will be also always cancel. Minus and minus and minus. So it will be plus here. Minus a and plus a will be cancel out. And d and minus 5d. It will be minus 4d. Okay. 38 plus 22. 8 to 10, 1. 3 to 5, 1, 6. So d is equals to 60 by 4. That is 15. And d will be minus 15 here. Okay. Now, d is minus 15. What is a? Again, putting the value of d in our equation number 1. So, putting d in equation 1, we will get a plus minus 15 is equals to 38. So, a is equals to 38 plus 15. So, a will be 13, 1, 4, 5, 53. Okay. So, this term is 53. Now, next terms a3, a4, a5 will be what? a3 will be a plus 2d. So, 53 plus 2 into minus 15. So, it will be 53 plus minus 30. So, 23. So, this term will be 23. Next term, that is a4. What will be a4? a4 is equals to, the formula of a4 will be a plus 3d. a plus 3d. Now, a is what? 53 plus 3 into minus 15. 53 is 45. 53 minus 45. So, it will be 8 here. So, this step will be what? 8. Again, a5. The last. a5 will be what? a plus 4d. That is 53 minus plus 4 into minus 15. That is 53 minus 60. So, minus 7. So, these are the answers. I hope you understand the question. Next question, question number 4. Which term of an AP, these will be 78? Question number 4. AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78. This is a series and this is a term, but we don't know which term is this. So, this is our AN, okay. This is our A, this A2, A3, A4 and this will be AN, right? Now, the formula of AN will be what? A plus N minus 1 into D. But we don't know that what is common difference. We know that this is the A, but what is the common difference? How to find the common difference? D will be A2 minus A1. After subtracting two consecutive terms, we find the common difference. So, A2 minus A1, that is 8 minus 3 will be what? 5. 5 is the D. So, AN will be 78. So, AN will be what? A plus N minus 1 into D, that is the formula. A plus N minus 1 into D will be 78. Okay. A is what? A is 3. And D is what? D is 5 is equals to 78. So, N minus 1 into 5 is equals to 78 minus 3. Right. Here is plus 3, then it will be minus 3 there. So n minus 1 is equals to 75. This 5 is in the multiply here. So it will be in the divide second side. N minus 1, 75 by 5. That is 15. 5 ones are 5 and 5 5s are 25. So n will be what? 15 plus 1, that will be 16. So these term will be the 16th term of the given AP. Okay. I hope question number 3 and 4 are clear. We will continue in the next video. Thank you.